So this is the kind of corner of St. Helens meatpacking plant. This is where some of the loads of cows will come in the big trucks around the corner, and then hopefully we're able to catch them as they go. Meat consumption is completely unnecessary in terms of human nutrition, completely unnecessary. I mean, if anything, I have myself to use as an example, been plant-based for just about a decade now, and I still am not suffering from the calamity of protein deficit or protein malnutrition or whatever, which is what people claim is one of the main reasons why you would eat meat. I still have ample B12 without supplementation. I still exercise. I still everything that I could when I was in media. I think what's necessary is to make the connection, guys, to make that connection between what you're eating and the consequences of that choice, of that behavior in the world that you live in. So if it's completely unnecessary to eat meat, right, in order to live a long and healthy and vibrant life, then is it a good choice to kill in order to satisfy an adulterated taste? And I would posit that the answer is probably no. So in terms of health and wellness, you're going to be on a better footing if you go plant-based. I can attest to this 100%. So yeah, if you're the meat eaters out there, try it out. Just try it out. You know, take an experiment, see how you feel. I know I certainly did. I went cold turkey a long time ago and never looked back. Never looked back. No. It's up to you guys. Your choices are forming the world we live in today. So you got to make a decision. All right. So if I were to ask you why should we not eat meat, what would you say?
It's absolutely unethical towards all living creatures.
Yeah. Yeah. Why do you think we should not eat meat?
Because I don't want to support the cruelty and abuse of animals.
Yeah. Hey guys, so if I were to ask you why should we not eat meat, what would you say?
It's bad for the environment, it's bad for human health, and most importantly, it's bad for the animals. There is no such thing as humane slaughter. It's not humane to kill someone.
I agree. Yeah, you don't really show compassion by slaughtering the thing that you're apparently compassionate about, right?
No reason to exploit and murder animals through taste pleasure.
Right.
Palate, it's selfish. The same reason Chico here is an absolutely, you wouldn't want to kill him, you wouldn't want to hurt him, you'd want to have a good life. You shouldn't be doing it to cows, pigs, chickens, anything else.
Yeah, I know, I'm with you. I've been vegan for many, many years and can tell you as an athlete that it's really not necessary. You don't need it.
And it's easy.
And it's easy, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Thanks,
So
guys.
easy.
If I were to ask you, what do you think is the biggest problem with the way we eat today? What would you say in a nutshell?
The disconnect between what you're eating and who you're eating.
Right.
Really, you know, like you fall in love with these animals when you go and see them on a farm, and then you wouldn't kill it yourself to eat it. That's all I'm saying is, if you're gonna eat it, you know, make your own food.
Yes,
which, if with animals, includes killing them. So if you're gonna eat them, unfortunately, that's a part of it. And a lot of people are just so disconnected to that and health.
Exactly. Yeah, I agree. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Awesome.